I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the radiator on a 2014 Nissan Maxima. Start by parking on level ground and allowing the engine to cool completely. Open the hood, remove the radiator cap only when cool, and disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Drain coolant into a suitable container and dispose of it responsibly. I will walk you through tools, removal, installation, and leak testing with simple tips. Before you begin, lay out every tool and part so nothing surprises you mid-job. Use quality coolant specified for Nissan and check your replacement radiator fits the 2014 Maxima model. Keep clean rags and a small funnel nearby to avoid spills. If you plan to reuse any hose clamps, inspect them closely and replace if corroded. A prepared workspace saves time and makes reassembly straightforward and less stressful. Begin by draining the coolant fully and removing the lower hose to prevent mess. Unbolt and remove the fan assembly and any obstructing components like the air intake to access the radiator. Carefully detach the upper hose, transmission cooler lines if equipped, and any electrical connectors, using clamps or pliers to prevent damage. Lift the radiator straight up to avoid snagging the fins. I will cover cleaning the area and prepping the new radiator next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.